Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or change your Microsoft Teams community banner. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to add a banner on your community, just head to the community tab while logged into Microsoft Teams, and here select the community you wish to make changes. Currently I have only one, and here it is. This is the current banner that I have, and I wish to change it. To change it, hover over to the right corner here and you should see a pencil icon. By clicking on it, you can see we have pre-made banners that you can choose from, and from this you can choose your preferred one. So for instance, I can change to this, or if you want to upload it from your computer, just click on upload image and this will take you to your computer. Choose your image and then click on open. Now once you have uploaded your image, now click on done to make the changes. Now once you have made the changes, this might take time, or you might need to close and open your community tab again or refresh your account to see the changes. So that's how you can change your Microsoft Teams community banner. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.